Canada. Nandito tayo sa Bathurst, Lawrence Street in Ontario, Canada. Pakita ko lang sa inyo what's going on around here. So this is street, it's a busy street. And in this vlog, I want to share with you a very nice restaurant. It's a Filipino restaurant. Ang pangalan niya ay Bangku. Ayan, Bangku. Filipino and Asian Cuisine by Ross Lux. Ayan po. So, nandito tayo sa labas ngayon. Ayan, kanilang business hours, Monday to Saturday, 11 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Close ng Sunday. Ayan ang mga ino-offer nila, mami, silog, sizzling. So, let's see what's inside. Pwede ko ba kayong ilagay sa aking YouTube? Yeah, they are our first customers for today. Pero regular customer na kayo dito?
From London.
From London. Student? No. Oh, wow. So, regular customers na kayo dito?
Siya po. I was here. Dito po ako dati sa Toronto.
Ang gaganda nila, oh, di ba? So, ayan, sila yung first customers for today and regular customers na daw sila. Magiging regular. Yeah. Yan ating mga kababayan na very pretty. So, ayan. This is Bangku Restaurant. So, as I mentioned earlier, madami silang siniserve na Asian food or recipe. Ayan ang kanilang menu. Meron silang mga sizzling, they have lomi, silog, fried rice, and many more. Ayan. And as you've heard from our customers, masarap yung masarap talaga yung timpla nila dito. So hopefully when you come over here, ma-visit nyo tong Bangku Restaurant. So enjoy your meal, ladies! Ayan, meron din silang halo-halo, mais con yelo, saba con yelo, different drinks. Yan, madami tayong choices. Meron tayong soda, may C2, may cocoa water, and Nestea. So madami kayong pagpipilian. So ayan ang mga drinks na available sa Bangku. And meron ding mga chips, Papi G chips. Meron tayong banana chips, meron tayong mga nuts, and meron tayong pork chicharon, meron ding kalabaw chicharon. So kung namimiss nyo na ang kalabaw chicharon, come to Bangku and try their chicharon. Yan, sobrang ma-enjoy nyo tong mga food dito sa Bangku Restaurant. So come and visit them here at Bathurst, Lawrence. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Bye-bye.